In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file on Microsoft Forms, providing you with the full guide for 2025. Let's dive right into the process so you can efficiently add files to your forms and enhance the data you collect. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Forms in your web browser. This is your starting point for creating, designing, and managing forms. Once you're on the Microsoft Forms homepage, you have the choice to start with a blank form or choose from a variety of templates that suit your needs. Selecting the right template can save you time and help ensure your form is structured well from the beginning. After picking your template, you'll be directed to the design page. Here, you can add and edit questions to tailor the form to your specific requirements. Clicking on an existing question opens up a set of options. This is where you can fine-tune the question type, whether it's multiple choice, text, or a file upload question, which we're focusing on today. To proceed with adding media to your form, you'll notice an option that lets you insert, paste, or drag media. This icon is typically represented by a small image or media symbol. By clicking on it, you'll open a menu with several options. These options allow you to enhance your form with various types of media content, such as images or videos, making it more engaging for respondents. Next, select Insert Image. This option provides you with several ways to upload your file. You can either search for an image online, grab one from your OneDrive cloud storage, or upload directly from your computer. This flexibility is particularly useful as it allows you to incorporate files stored locally or online depending on your convenience. In addition to images, Microsoft Forms also allows you to incorporate videos. If you want to include a video, similar steps apply. You can add a video by either uploading it directly or pasting a YouTube URL. This feature is great for including tutorials or informational content right within your form, providing a richer experience for those filling it out. Now that you've learned how to add one file, you can repeat this process for any new question where you want to enable file uploads. This means you can collect a variety of files, from documents to images and videos, through different parts of your form. And there you have it. You now know how to upload files and media to Microsoft Forms, enhancing the interactivity and functionality of your forms. By following these steps, you can collect more diverse data and create a more dynamic experience for your form respondents. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.